Hi, hello, good morning, champs. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Nilesh Kumar Biswas, a final year medical student from a government medical college in West Bengal, which is College of Medicine and JNM Hospital. So after waking up at 7:30 and getting fresh, I went out for breakfast. This is Simba, by the way. She happens to be the softest living stuffed animal. देन मेट टू बॉडीगार्ड्स जो कोई प्रोटेक्शन तो नहीं देता है, उल्टा हर दिन सुबह बिस्किट खाने को और बहुत सारा प्यार लेने को आ जाता है. After coming back to my room, I did 10 minutes of guided meditation and then started the very first session of the day. Here I was studying long questions from gynecology which were important for our upcoming professional examination. Today my target was to complete all the long questions. As it was Sunday, I decided to clean my room, which took me so many more hours than I imagined. But the work was done. Also, being a peace-loving guy, I mounted a very beautiful wallpaper of Buddha on my wall. After having shower, it was time for lunch. I had biryani and watched Friends, and then I suffered the inevitable consequence. Well, guess what? I slept for straight 2 hours. I missed one study session. I did a little bit of work in the morning, cleaned my room, also ate biryani in lunch. So it's kind of, my body needed the rest. So anyways, I'm out of my track, but abhi bahar nikalna hai thoda. I have to go to the market and then I'll come back and sit for study. After coming back from the market, it was time for the next session. So I studied from 6:30 to 9 p.m. and then it was time for dinner. It's already 9. I have 3 long questions left. I'll do that after having my dinner. आज पढ़ने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा. After having dinner, I'll come back and read those 3 long questions and then I have to edit and post today's reel. And then I'll be free. I can do whatever the hell I want. For the last session of the day, I studied for 1 hour and then completed my journaling. The vlog now. Today the day was not at all productive, especially the morning. I made a mistake in planning actually. I didn't consider the room cleaning portion, and then in the afternoon I slept for 2 hours, so that took away 2 sessions. Also आज पढ़ने का बिल्कुल भी mood नहीं था, so I also procrastinated a bit, and yeah, but that's okay, because this is the reality. You can't push yourself every day, and we have to accept that. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. So this happens to everyone. No one can study for 10 hours, 12 hours every day. We need a gap, and also it was Sunday, so I didn't want to push myself hard. But still, yeah, I managed to study for, I guess, 4 to 5 hours. That's sufficient on a Sunday, I guess. So anyways, have a great day. If you like my work, then subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.